YouTube, we're coming to you from Cameron, South Carolina today in Calhoun County, not Cameron, North Carolina, home of the Hardy Boys. This is Cameron, South Carolina. So, we're going to take a quick little drive through Cameron. I believe I hit all the high spots in Cameron for once. I didn't turn down any side streets except for Main Street. Did a little U-turn type U-shaped road drive, I guess. I don't know. You'll see it here coming up. And what's very interesting about that U shape is that the railroad runs right between the two, which shows that Cameron was, a very influential. The railroad really influenced Cameron, I should say. I don't know why I struggled about to get that out. Anyway, Cameron, according to Wikipedia, has less than 500 people in it, and it is a agriculture and manufacturing town with a mattress company, a pecan, peanuts, and cotton center as far as agriculture goes. But anyway, guys, that's really all I have to say. Other than this now completes Calhoun County in the Dashcam drive-through. There's only 2 towns in it, and I visited both of them and uploaded them both within this week. So that is probably the first county that is completely finished. So that is kind of revolutionary.